Hey friends, I'm here with delicious and easy food, another type of chicken kebab. The ingredients are half a kilo chicken fillets, 2 tablespoons melted saffron, 1 bell pepper, 1 sour lemon, 1 tablespoon mayonnaise sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, a quarter of teaspoon pepper. Cut the chicken fillets into thin strips. We can also use chicken breast and cut it into strips. Pour melted saffron over fillets. Turn them upside down so that all parts cover with saffron. Chop the onion. Add 2 fillets. Chop the bell pepper and add to them. Pour salt, pepper, and mayonnaise sauce. Add sour lemon juice. Mix them well. Put the lid on. Put it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours to make the fillet taste good.
2 hours later.
We wrap the fillets in a spiral. Skewer them. Skewer the tomatoes. To make the chicken delicious, we use a mixture of butter and oil for frying. Put the skewers in the pan. Put the lid on. Start cooking with medium heat. After a few minutes, remove the lid to continue frying. When one side is golden brown, turn the skewer so that the other side is also fried. Our chicken kebab is ready to eat. We can decorate with anything we like. Hope you like it. Enjoy your meal.